In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a list in Brevo. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. A list in Brevo is simply a way to organize your contacts into groups. This is useful when you want to send a campaign to a specific audience, keep contacts separated by purpose, or maintain cleaner contact management as your account grows. First, look to the left-hand sidebar in Brevo. This sidebar is your main navigation menu. Find and click on Contacts. When you open Contacts, Brevo will show you tools related to managing the people in your database, including importing, segmentation, and lists. Next, still under the Contacts area, click on Lists. This is a sub-menu item under Contacts, and it will take you to the section where all of your existing lists are displayed. If you already have lists, you will see them here along with details like how many contacts are inside each one. If you are starting fresh, this page may look more empty, but the process is the same. Now go to the top right of the page and click the Create a List button. This is the main action Brevo provides for setting up a new list, and it will open a small window or panel where you can name your list. Type the name of your list. Choose a name that is clear and specific, so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple lists. For example, you might name it based on the source of contacts, the type of customer, or the purpose of the list. Keep the naming consistent so your account stays organized over time. After you have entered the list name, click Create List to confirm. Brevo will then add your new list to your lists page, and it will be ready for you to start using right away. You can now add contacts to it later through imports, forms, or by selecting contacts from your database. And that is all there is to it.